Welcome to my channel. 1. Mpofu loses property battle. Home Affairs Minister, Obert Mpofu, has lost the battle to block the High Court from transferring some of his properties to the Deposit Protection Corporation, DPC, the liquidator of his now-defunct Allied Bank Limited. Mpofu has been resisting moves by the liquidator to assume control of 6 of his properties in Bulawayo and Harare, valued at about $17 million, through vexatious court processes. In his latest bid to block DPC from transferring the assets, his lawyers had argued in court that the first judgment made against him had been granted in error. But High Court Judge Justice Nairozo Priscilla Munangati Mananwa has dismissed the application. The defendant's point is, dismissed with costs. The defendant's claim in reconvention is struck off with cost, reads the judgment. In the light of an acknowledgment by the defendants that leave to institute proceedings was not sought by the defendants as required by S-213, which is peremptory, and in the absence of any other defense raised being procedural or otherwise, the court has no option but to strike out defendant's counterclaim with costs. Allied Bank, majority owned by a vehicle linked to Mpofu, had its license cancelled by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe in January 2015 after it was found to be in an unsafe financial position. Following the cancellation of the bank's operating license, Mpofu was asked to pay $16,790,000 to the liquidator, but this did not happen. Nahanda Radio Middle Off Story. In April 2015, Trebo & K's, Private, Limited, the investment vehicle owned by Mpofu, made an undertaking to transfer 5 properties in Bulawayo and 1 in Harare to Allied Bank with a combined value of $16,790,000, according to court papers. This was in terms of the subscription agreement entered between Trebo & K's and Allied Bank. DPC then claimed that Mpofu refused to surrender the properties in breach of the agreement, prompting the claim against him. This forced DPC, represented by Sternford Moyo, to apply for Mpofu's companies, namely Trebo & K's, Kanando Safaris and Tours, Private, Limited, and Moya Security, Private, Limited, to be transferred into the name of the liquidator. Mpofu, his companies and his wife, Sikani Izai, however, made a counterclaim and raised preliminary points to the application, which were struck off by the High Court. Subsequent to that, the minister made another claim at the High Court, and applied for a rescission of the judgment. Mpofu was arguing that the first judgment was erroneously sought and erroneously granted in the absence of the applicants. Thank for watching. Please, subscribe and share. See you again.